Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your password in Spotify. So it's pretty simple. And to do this, you need to be on the web version of Spotify because password changing feature is only available in the web version of Spotify. So you just want to search for Spotify, and once you search for Spotify, click on the first option. It's going to take you to the official website of Spotify. From over here, log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, click on your profile picture at the top right and click on where it says account. Now from inside account, you want to scroll a bit down and you will see the option called change password. Click on change password. Over here, first you need to enter the current password of your account, and over here you need to enter your new password. After you enter your new password, enter your new password again to confirm it. Once you do that, just click on set new password, and basically your password should be changed on Spotify. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to change your password on Spotify, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos related with Spotify just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys.